Hey, what's up guys? This is the Tecno Spark 4. I have used this device for a few days now and here are my thoughts on it. On unboxing this phone, the first thing you should notice is the long screen. The color variant that I have here is called Vacation Blue, which looks like blue at the top and fades into light blue at the bottom. Like I said earlier, this phone has a long screen, 6.52 inch with a dot notch. Most of my friends that handled this device had to say that the screen is too long. It has a height of 165.3mm, 75.9mm width, and 8.2mm thickness. The back is built of premium plastic with the nice looking colors. The design is pretty cool because it doesn't have a cheap look even though it's made of plastic. It comes with a nice looking transparent silicone case, which I think was built with protection as the first priority because the case covers the USB port and the headphone jack openings. Impressive. When you turn on the phone, you'll be greeted with Tecno's High OS, which I think is just too similar to the Infinix XOS software. The operating system is based on Android 9 and the High OS has a lot of features such as the eye care, multi-window, WhatsApp mode, bike mode, read mode, all of which are also found in the Infinix and are located in the same place, which is why I say they are just too similar. For memory, this phone comes with 2GB of RAM and 3GB of internal storage, and there's a micro SD card slot that can support up to 128GB capacity. This phone is equipped with the MediaTek MT6761 Helio A22 chipset, which is the same as the one used on the Spark 4 Air. It has a quad-core CPU clocked at 2GHz Cortex A53 and PowerVR GE8320 GPU. The Helio A22 chipset is less efficient compared to the Helio P22 chipset, and so you should not expect a very smooth gaming experience when playing high-end games. I played PUBG on this device and I experienced major lags which made gaming for me quite uncomfortable. So if you are a high-end gamer like me, I don't recommend this device, but if you are just a regular user that surfs the internet and social media and other stuff that doesn't require intense processing power, you don't have a problem. I played Subway Surfers on this device and it ran smoothly with no issues. I used Facebook, Instagram and watched YouTube videos thanks to the 4G network. And everything was normal as expected. You can switch between several background apps seamlessly unless it's a very heavy app like high-end games, which usually close after a minute or less when you minimize. In the department of connectivity, this device supports 2G, 3G and 4G internet connection, Bluetooth 5.0. It has a micro USB and as a result, it doesn't support fast charging, and there's presence of 3.5mm audio jack. Juice won't be an issue on this phone because with the 4000 mAh power battery, you get a lot of screen time, and charging of this device is really not impressive in terms of charging speed. And one more thing, there is dual nano SIM card slot beside the phone, both of which supports 4G, thanks to God. For security, there is a rear fingerprint scanner which has the same old quality in terms of speed. There's face unlock and I think there's a little improvement on that. It's a bit faster. The same old pattern, PIN and password security remains. I noticed some improvement on the interaction with the Google Assistant. The response is kind of faster and it feels more comfortable to use than before. Okay, the display. Like I said, this phone has a big screen. Unfortunately, it's not AMOLED but IPS LCD touchscreen, 6.52 inch. The notch on it is a bit bigger to provide room for the front LED flash and some other sensors. With 79.3% screen to body ratio and the screen resolution is 720 by 1600 pixel. Sound. It has a loudspeaker located below the chin, where there's also a microphone that supports active noise cancellation and 3.5mm audio jack. Here is a video test for the sound quality coming right up. Oh wait, what? You still haven't subscribed to my channel? Oh man, I'll be doing a gaming review, PUBG, Call of Duty, PES, Asphalt. Okay, you know what? Just comment your favorite game in the comment section so that I'll use it for the gaming review, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on it. Call quality on this device was not bad, just as expected, normally clear. Now the rear camera. There's triple lens camera setup, 13MP plus 2MP and a 0.3 megapixel depth sensor. It can shoot videos at 1080p at 30 fps, and there's dual LED flash. Here are some images taken with the rear camera. Images taken with the portrait mode. The rear camera has some features such as the bokeh mode, the AR shot which I never use, and the panorama mode which I hardly use. Here's a video. There's no image stabilization here. As you can see, it doesn't look good when I start running. If you want to shoot still videos, a tripod or gimbal should help. Selfie camera. Equipped with 8MP lens, supports 720 pixel resolution, has a single LED flash beside. There's also the portrait mode which only works when it detects a face, the AR shot which I never use, and there's a wide selfie mode that utilizes the same logic as the panorama mode, and I think it's trash. In fact, I'm not impressed with the camera on this device. Here are some selfie pictures. Selfie on portrait mode. Like I said, it doesn't work unless it detects a face. So in conclusion, the Tecno Spark 4 is a device that offers more for its price. For the record, it goes for 35,000 naira in Nigeria, and its downsides are the not impressive cameras, especially the selfie cameras, and the low-end processing power. So if you are a regular person that just need an Android phone for browsing and music and light games, you can go for it. But if you need a device with a better CPU, GPU and bigger RAM, I think you should have a rethink before buying this device. If you like this video, please subscribe. My name is Peace, and I'll catch you on the next one.